Hello everyone! I have a great product over here I would like to share it with you. It's a stove gap covers. The set includes two pieces to fill the gap between counter and stove on both sides. It's very convenient since it prevents crumbs and spills getting in between and helps you to save a lot of time and effort on cleaning your kitchen. Besides that, it's very well made out of high quality stainless steel. It's durable, long-lasting, also heat and rust resistant. Besides that, the installation is so simple, takes just seconds. It also fits different type and sizes of stoves since the size is adjustable between 13.8 to 27.5. This product is very nice. I love the quality. Installation is very simple. Definitely a great addition to a kitchen. It also can be used for sinks, laundry rooms, or anywhere else. I like it very much and I highly recommend it to you.